video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys minimal products that you can have that will help you achieve a blemish-free and a youthful appearance. So let's get right into this video. So now you guys know I am the queen of trying out new beauty products. I struggle a lot with acne, blemishes, blackheads, you name it. I mean, anything that has to do with acne, my face is front row. So I'm always out there looking for products that I can, introduce to my skin, because I like to interchange the products that I use oftentimes, just because, the skin gets used to products if you've been using them for quite a while. So if you use products for an extensive period of time, you usually want to switch them out and introduce the skin to new products. That way you can start seeing results. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys some minimal products that you can have around that don't require an extensive skincare routine. I know in my past videos, I have shown you guys a collection of products that I use, but like I said, I like to switch things out. And if you're looking to have about 3 to 4 products that you use for your skin and don't have to worry about having a whole collection of products, like 10 products to put on your face, then I'm going to show you guys those products. Now, without further ado, let's just dive right in. The first brand I want to talk to you guys about is Superegg. I love this brand, Superegg. So I learned about this brand from Instagram and I did a whole video on that that I will be linking for you guys to check out. But long story short, the owner of Superegg sent me these lovely products a while back and I just fell in love with them. So this is a moisturizer and this is a face cleanser. And when she sent me the products, I tried them on and I just fell in love with them. And I had to go and purchase them because when I ran out, I had to purchase them because they're just so good. Anyways, so this is a cleanser and it has a creamy consistency. And also, I just like that it has an exfoliating factor to it. So when you apply it, you kind of feel a little bit of roughness on your skin when you apply the product, but it's not harsh. It's just very subtle. It helps exfoliate your skin every day. It's one of those cleansers that you can use every day. You don't have to worry about, it roughing up your skin or irritating it. It's amazing. So I love this cleanser because it always gives me, I don't know, my skin just feels young and it just feels fresh, almost like how you would feel when you leave the spa. So that's why I love the cleanser. And I also love the moisturizer. It comes in a small packaging, but a little goes a long way. Yeah, I mean, these are Korean products. So you guys know, if you've Googled K-beauty products, I mean, they have like a whole skin regimen, but I just love that just these 2 products, they just do an amazing job. This video is not sponsored. I just love this product so much, and I can vouch for them all day long. A little bit pricey, I'll say that. This moisturizer is about $70 and the cleanser is like $34. So you're looking at $100 for just this 2. But let me tell you, they're just so worth it to have. I recently just purchased the Fenty Fat Water. Yes, my sister got me hip on this. She's like, you need to get this Fenty Fat Water. It will give you that glow that you're missing in your life. And baby, I was on that train. I was like, okay, boom, I'm getting it. The reason I love this fat water is because it is a toner and a serum at the same time. So it kind of gives you what both products would do in one bottle, which is just amazing. And it says instantly refines the look of pores, reduces the look of dark spots, even skin tone, and fights shine without stripping skin. The fact that this product fights oils and that excessive glow that you don't really need, I just love. And the way you apply it is by putting it on your fingers. So you kind of twist the bottle and then you squeeze some on your fingers and you just apply it. I just love it so far. I've been using it for a week now. I haven't broken out. Knowing my skin, if it doesn't appreciate a product, it's going to break out in a couple of days. And it's been a week, no breakouts. I just feel good about this product. I'm going to use it until it's done, and I'll probably come back in a month or 2 and give you guys a more detailed review on what I think about the product. But so far, so good. And one of my favorite products that I think got discontinued because I couldn't find it on the brand's website is this Kiehls Turmeric and Cranberry Seed Energizing Radiance Mask. Oh my goodness, this mask. Oh, this mask is bomb. This mask is just so good. This mask so much, and I ran out a couple months ago, and I started using the Ole Henriksen Pore Plunge mask and the blue mask that I always post on Instagram. I was using that, and I was like, okay, let me give this one a break because it's a little bit pricey. So I was using the Ole Henriksen blue mask, and I was like, okay, you know what? I'm running out of that. I need to get this. So the reason I love this mask is because it really gives me that spa experience without me going to the spa. I mean, the turmeric in there that's known for skin lightening. I love that it has turmeric because, you know, turmeric helps with lightening dark spots and any blemishes that you have on your skin. I also love that that cranberry seed in it just gives you that exfoliating factor. You just put it on and just let it sit. And the way that I use this is, so once I put it on and let it sit for a couple minutes, I like to use my steamer to really get that deep penetration with this. I love it. A little goes a long way. It's very pricey. This is a $55 mask, but it is extremely worth it, let me tell you. And I think they discontinued it on the Kiehls website because when I went on to purchase it, they didn't have it. I only found it on Amazon and they only had one remaining, so I think they discontinued it. I don't know why, but this mask is just everything you need, especially for the summertime. You know, you kind of want to radiate your skin, hydrate it. This mask does all that. It does all that to those. The final product that is my go-to, especially during the summer months, is the Obagi SPF 50 sunscreen. I just love that sunscreen so much, and the reason I love it is because it doesn't give me that white cast that you get from sunscreens. Especially women of color, they always stay away from sunscreens just because they think that they don't need it. But you need sunscreen to protect your melanin, to protect your pigmentation. You do not want to get skin cancer because skin cancer does not discriminate. It will come for you, honey. So you gotta protect your skin, and that's why I love that Obagi sunscreen. I'll just put a picture of how it looks. I ran out, but I'm going to replenish because I need it for the summer. That sunscreen, oh. So that's 1, 2. So that's 5 products, including the sunscreen. And I think 5 products is sufficient enough to have in your beauty bag when you're traveling or when you're at home. It's not a lot of products. You don't need to worry about like a tiny little serum that you worry about losing because you spent like $70 on it, or you don't have to worry about, I don't know, like a day and night toner. You have like, I mean, there's just, trust me, I know because I used to do this. I remember I had a day serum and a night serum, a day toner and a night toner, a day cream and a night cream. Those are 6 products right there. Can you imagine that? And that's just toners and serums. We haven't even talked about the face wash. We haven't talked about the mask. Just nice to have a few products that will do everything those multiple products are doing. You know what I mean? So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. As always, drop some comments down below. Don't forget to be nice because we are a nice community here. We do not want negative vibes. We do not want negative energy. All that bad energy should stay over there. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.